Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making air fryer potatoes and steak. Should be an extremely simple recipe, shouldn't take very long, and then Jesse'll have dinner. The first thing I'm going to do is salt and pepper these steaks. It's kind of 1.5 steak. I sort of try to portion them out for him. He's a steak lover. He would eat the whole package if I let him, probably. We're not going to do that. That might be a little too much pepper. Let's share that with that one. A little bit of... My salt keeps getting all stuck together. Just kind of rub that in a little. Too much salt. He's not a big fan of salt. That'll be good. I am sure you saw this Traeger prime rib rub sitting there and thinking, well, why didn't she put that on the steak? Because I'm going to put that on the potatoes. We have used that on potatoes before, and it is so good. I am just going to cut these in 4 to 6 piece halves. If I've got any bad spots, I'll cut the bad spots out. Like this one. We'll just pull that whole piece. That one I can just cut the bad spot out. And you could make these smaller or larger if you wish. I just feel like this is a good size for the air fryer. Now this is a little bit smaller potato, so cut this one in half. And then I'm going to add my potatoes to my bowl. Drizzle in some olive oil. Kind of toss that around because I want the seasoning to stick to all of the potatoes, not just the ones that got a little bit of olive oil on them. Then nice, fairly generous amount of the seasoning. And if you don't have that particular seasoning, you can use, well, you could just use salt and pepper if you wanted to. You could use thyme and rosemary. You could do some melted butter instead of olive oil to toss them in. I think that would be really yummy. You could use some garlic. That would be really yummy too. Now I'm going to move over to the air fryer. Going to use a little bit of olive oil spray and spray my trays so that they don't stick. And then I'm going to dump my potatoes in. Just kind of spread those out so that they have plenty of space. Take my steak and add them. Ooh. Well, maybe. And these are going to cook for the same amount of time, and they should be good to go once the time has come up. I'm going to set it for 400, and we're going to do 25 minutes. At about halfway through, I'm going to come in, I'm going to flip the steaks. I'll shake up the potatoes a little bit, kind of give you a little bit of a look-see of what they look like halfway through, and so I'll see you then. I got a little sidetracked answering an email, kind of went past the halfway mark, but that's okay. Pull out the steaks first. They're looking pretty good. flip those over if I can. Yeah, those are looking nice. And I'm just going to give these potatoes a shake. Kind of bounce them around in there. It looks good. They're getting crispy. Should definitely take that last 11 minutes. I'll see you back here when they're all done and it's all plated up. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!